Hello guys, welcome to Vertical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more freaking and exciting questions together. Thank you for being here. Now let's start our question today. So we are having this expression 5,555 squared minus 4,444 squared. We are to simplify this without using a calculator. Okay, we have to simplify this without using a calculator. So let's start to solve this together. So with this, I have squared here. So in algebra, we have a squared, sorry, let me write it as a minus b all squared is equal to a minus b bracket a plus b. So we are going to express this tenfold this. So it is equal to 5,555, okay, minus 4,444 brackets, then another bracket which is 5,555 plus 4,444. So this one, when you subtract this from, we are going to get 1,111 like this. And this one, we are going to get 9,999 like this. So from here, we can write this as 1,111 multiplied by 1,111 times 9. Okay, so this one we can take one for this one. We can express it as a square. It will be 111 squared. Okay, also 2. Then multiply by this 9 and this 9 too. We can express it as 3 exponent 2, which is 9. Okay. Now, in algebra, we have this law. It is a power m multiplied by b power n, the same as a multiplied by b all power n. We can record this. So we are going to now apply this here. So we have this equal to 1, 1, okay, multiplied by 3 all squared, which is equal to this times this is 3, 3, 3, 3 all squared. Okay, and this, because we are not going to use calculator, we can express it as this. This is 3,000, so we are going to get 3,000, then plus 333 all squared. Okay, so now we can express this as, which is in algebra, we have a plus b all squared can be expressed as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, b squared like this. So we transform this expression to be 300, sorry, 3,000 squared plus 2 multiplying by 3,000 multiplied by 333 plus 333 squared. Okay, so now this 300 and 3,000, let's see how we are going to 3,000 squared. 3,000 squared is going to be, so this 3 squared is 9, then 3 zeros, that is double, then so it will be that which is 9 million. Then this here, which is 2 multiplied by 3,000 multiplied by 33, 3,300, so 333. The next one, which is 2 times 300 times 333, is going to be, so 2 times this 6,000, so we have 6,000 multiplied by 333. So 333 times 6,000, this one, which is 0, 0, 0. Now, 3 times 6, we are going to get 18. So 8 render 1. So there's we're carrying off 1. Then 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 1, we're getting 19. So 9 and 1. 3 times 3 is 18 plus 1, which is 19. So we are going to get 1, 9. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the other part, which is 333 squared. 333 squared. And this one too is the same as 333 times 333. Okay. So this one is equal to this times this. It will be reached. So let us express as 300 plus 30 plus 3, okay, times 3, 3, 3. Okay, so now with this, we are going to get 300 times 3, 3, 3 plus 30 times 333 plus 3 times 333. Okay. Now, this times this is 0 times 0. So we are going to get 0, 0. Now, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. So 9. 3 times 3, I get 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 3 times 0 is 0. Then 3 times 3, we are getting 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3, so we get 9 from here. Plus 3 times 3 is 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 9. So let's put everything here together. So 9 plus 0 plus 0, we are getting 9 here. 9 plus 9, which is 18. 18 plus 0. So we put 8. Then we're carrying off 1 here. So 9 plus 9, which is 18, plus 9, which is 27, plus 1, which is 28. So 8. Then we're carrying off 2. So we have 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, which is 20. So 0, then 2. So 9 plus 2, which is 11. So we have 1, 1. So this is the answer for this. Now, let's go back to our main question, which was this. So it means that our 5, 5, 5, 5 all squared minus 4,444 all squared is equal to, so we have 9 million plus 19980 198,000, then plus 110889. Okay, so let's add everything here together again. So we have 9 plus 0 plus 0, so we are going to get 9. 8 plus 0 plus 0, which is 8. 8 plus 0 plus 0, I get 8 here. 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 9, which is 10, plus 0. So 0 carry 1 is this. Okay, so it is this one. Now 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 0 plus 1, which is 11. So we put 1 here, then a remainder or carry of 1. Now we have 1 plus 9 is 10. So 10 plus 1, which is 11. So 1, 1. So our final answer is equal to 111088889. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 11,108,889 as our final answer. Okay, so please, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you.